to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to divide and multiply powers of 10. So if you're wondering how to multiply powers of 10 first, then here I will teach you multiplying first and then I'll teach you how to divide. So first when you multiply, let's say you have a problem like this, if you want the decimal or not. So we'll start without a decimal, like 13 times 10 to the power of 2. So that means that the 10 to the power of 2 means 10 times 10. It's 10 times 10 because there's two 10s in it. If it was 3, then it would be 10 times 10 times 10. So if it's 10 to the power of 2, then it's 100 because 10 times 10 is 100. So then you could just do 13 times 100, which is 1300. But that's just a way for like the people who really know it. But if you really wanna take an easier step, this is what you do. So you take the 13 and you just leave it right here. And then there's always a decimal point in every number, but you don't always have to show it. So what you do is you take the decimal point, and if the exponent is 2, then you move the decimal point 2 times to the right, and then you fill these in with zeros. So then now you know that's 1,300. So that's another way, but always remember that the decimal isn't moving, it's just your numbers are moving in the place value. So that's for multiplying. And now let's do multiplying with a decimal number. Like, for example, 4.5 times 10 to the power of 3. So we have this problem, and that problem means, remember, you guys all know, we take the decimal point and we move it 3 times to the right, like we did before. So you take 4.55, and you take this, and you move it 1, 2, 3. And you fill in these extra things with zeros. But remember, it's not the decimal point that's moving, it's actually your numbers that are moving. But this method just shows the decimal point moving. So then your answer, for instance, would be 4,500, and your decimal point is now right here. So that's multiplying multiplying powers of 10 with and without decimals. Now let's try dividing. It's actually the exact same thing, except we're moving the opposite way. So if we were to take 5713 with the decimal point there, and we were to divide it by 10 to the power of 4, then that would be the exact same thing, except remember it's division. So then we don't move to the right, we move to the left. So we take our decimal point, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our decimal point is here, you can add a 0. So our answer is 0.5713. And remember, you might be wondering, why did I move 4 times? Because it's always the exponent, 4 times. And again, another reminder, it's not the decimal that's moving, it's your numbers that are moving in the place value chart. Okay, now let's try the division again, but with a decimal in the middle between the numbers. So let's erase this. And let's do 488.513 divided by 10 to the power of 5. So now we have this one. So that means we have to take the decimal, we have to shift it 5 times to the left, which is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have to add these zeros here. We have to add those zeros, and then we could add another 0 here because the decimal point is here. So our answer would be 0.00488 4885513, which is very little, if you did not know. And yeah, that's the end of today's video, and I have one more thing for you guys to do. And this is what you do right now. Thanks for watching the video, and see you next time.